Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful statement pieces for your home that will give it a wow factor. These are my new favorite DIYs for the month so far, and I'm so excited to share them with you guys because you know I love my glam. If you love glam just as much, give this video a thumbs up so I know to continue to share these type of videos with you all. I will leave everything you will need in the description box to make these DIYs. I went ahead and took the mirrors out of the frame and began adding E6000 glue on the foam board where I'm going to add each mirror. Now that all the mirrors are glued, I'm going to use a knife to cut the excess foam board. Next, I grabbed the glitter paper and cut out 3 pieces and glued each one on the middle of each mirror. I wanted the rhinestone wrap to be thinner than the size it came in, so I cut it in half. Doing this also saved me from having to buy more rhinestone wrap because I doubled the amount. I wanted this wall sconce to be full of glam, so I added the wrap all around the mirrors and glitter paper. This wrap already has a sticky residue because I bought it from Hobby Lobby, but if your rhinestone wrap isn't sticky, you can use hot glue and it'll work just fine. I bought the 3M command strips to hang on the wall, and I'm going to use 4 of them on each wall sconce. Adding these will hold up to 12 pounds, which is way more than this weighs, but I like my wall decor to be very secure. I went ahead and covered the mini tray with rhinestone wrap except for the back and put E6000 glue, then added hot glue to hold it faster. The E6000 glue has to dry for 24 hours. And here's the final result for the glam mirrored wall sconces. These are so pretty and shine from any angle you look at them. This is my first time making candle sconces, and the E6000 glue will hold a candle in the tray, but make sure it's an LED lightweight candle for safety. The LED candles from Dollar Tree are perfect for this DIY. For example, just add Mod Podge and a lot of glitter and you have a beautiful set. These would also look stunning in a bedroom, entryway, bathroom, and so many more places. If you're not into silver, you can add gold glitter paper and that would look beautiful as well. These truly are a statement piece, and I love that they're a glam DIY on a budget. Let me know if you would make these and where would you style them in your home. For the second DIY, I will also leave all the items you will need in the description box. Starting off, I'm tracing the 2 mirrors in rhinestone wrap twice to cut out with my knife, and then I traced a single square mirror twice to cut out. In total, I cut 4 square mirror pieces and 4 rectangular pieces. I'm going to glue the pieces in twos to give a strong support to build the box. Now I'm going to glue the mirrors and rhinestone wrap on top. Now that all the mirrors are glued, I'm going to start connecting each piece to make a box. On one side of the foam board I added E6000 glue, and on the other side I'm going to connect it using hot glue to hold the pieces faster. I added more hot glue where the 2 pieces connect for a better hold. Since the E6000 glue takes 24 hours to dry, I put a candle on each side of the mirrors to hold it so it won't fall. It's been about 4 hours since I glued the box together, and it's strong enough for me to continue working on it now, so I glued 2 pieces of foam board together and put the box on top so I can trace the bottom base. I cut the foam board and secured it in the box with hot glue. I also added a little bit of hot glue to the back where the foam boards connect, that way it's more secure, and then I let it dry for a few minutes. This is my favorite part because now I'm adding all the rhinestone wrap to see the final results. And here's how my mirrored glam box turned out, you guys. Do you love it just as much as I do? Let me know what you think in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. I've been searching for a mirrored box to place my hydrangeas in, and this is what I came up with. I love how this DIY turned out. It definitely looks store-bought, and if it was in store, I would buy it in a heartbeat. I have a lot of videos coming up and you don't want to miss them, so make sure you're subscribed and have your bell notification turned on. This concludes my video. Thank you so much for watching and for being here. Let me know which DIY was your favorite and what you want to see next in the comment section. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Take care.